Hey guys, we're here at the launch of the all-new Honda City Hatchback, which is replacing the Jazz for the Malaysian market. So you won't be seeing that particular hatchback here in Malaysia. Anyway, let's take a look at what the new City Hatchback has to offer. As many as 4 different variants of the City Hatchback are offered in Malaysia. The base S model costs 75,670 ringgit, while the mid-tier E trim costs 83,080 ringgit. The V variant that you see right now, on the other hand, which is the range-topping petrol model, goes for 87,860 ringgit. Last but certainly not least is the highest-end RSE HEV hybrid model. Unfortunately, this particular model has not been launched yet. It will only be made available sometime in early 2022, so we'll only find out exactly how much the RS model costs once it is launched next year. Essentially, the City Hatchback, as its name suggests, is the hatchback version of the City sedan that was launched earlier last year. With that in mind, the City Hatchback does mirror the specifications of its sedan sibling. That means all of the petrol models of the City Hatchback, for one, has the same 1.5-litre engine that outputs 121 PS and 145 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a CVT, as usual. As for the RS model, it features a 1.5-litre Sports IMMD powertrain that outputs 109 PS and a segment-leading 253 Nm of torque. The City Hatchback RS is also the only model to get Honda Sensing. It is a suite of driver assistance safety systems which feature adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking system, forward collision warning, lane keep assist system, road departure mitigation, lane departure warning, as well as auto high beam. But the winning feature of the City Hatchback has to be its Ultra seats, which are the same found in the Honda Jazz. Basically, the rear seats of the City Hatchback can be completely folded down or up, allowing you to fit a multitude of cargo into this B-segment hatchback. If you find yourself carrying a lot of cargo of different sizes, the City Hatchback could be the car for you. So that is the Honda City Hatchback. If you're interested to get this particular car, visit your nearest Honda dealership to place a booking. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here on this channel and nextdrift.com.